I'm very happy.
Because you're not trolled. Otherwise, you would have not given any interview.
Till now, touch wood, I've never got trolled. She's the lead of the series, not of the season. Dr. Gargi is, you're going to see a lot of her from season 2 onwards.
That is being shot, everything is done?
No, everything's not done.
Okay, the 5 episodes is yet to be...
Season 1 is over. We used to crib a little because there was like...
ये कहाँ ले आए हैं हमें types?
Because I remember to play, we used to take the pipe, the gardening pipe, and we used to like play and drench each other.
Or you're very desi at home and you're like, ठीक है, let it be, I'll eat, you know, the urban girls will eat certain food.
This idea you made of urban girls is certain food. No, I am...
The perfume and all.
Absolutely. I can do everything. I'm capable of doing everything. Hello.
You cook and all?
Cooking, I can't.
And I can do everything, I'm capable of everything.
Except cooking. My hands are useless. There's not much I can do with my hands.
Got mouth to work. Maybe I guess I'm also like that. Yeah, that is... Don't go crazy laughing. No, that's the thing.
What is this conversation? But no, I'm very simple. I don't know, urban or not. I'm simple. I'm not a very hi-fi, hectic person. Hi, this is Akansha and you're watching me on Filmy Beat.
I should be saying, hi, Dr. Gauri, how are you?
Gargi, but okay.
That is all okay. Oh my god, big blunder, I've just made. And I've been preparing, I'll call you by retake.
I'm in disbelief. If y'all cut this now.
No, I'll put it. I am totally okay. No, I'll take it otherwise. Hi, Akansha, how are you? It is good to have you on Filmy Beat. It's me, Adi. Last conversation that we have had was commendable, interesting. And उसके बाद मैंने शो देखा 5 एपिसोड मज़ेदार एंड बिंज वॉच किया. आई टोल्ड दिस दैट डे कि ना मुझे बड़ा ही ट्रेलर मज़ेदार लगा था. आई विल वॉच इट एंड आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर यू. फर्स्ट एपिसोड you're not there. Second you're there. I'm like hi. But have you, like, in real life, have you ever been to any village?
So my dad's from Haryana. We are from Bhiwani. So I've spent all my childhood in Bhiwani, all my summer holidays in Bhiwani till my dada dadi were there.
Oh.
So, but that's the only one. Yeah.
And how was it? I'm from Haryana. I know how things are there.
I have such a vague memory because I feel like I stopped going probably when I was 10, 12. I don't know. We used to crib a little because there was like...
ये कहाँ ले आए हैं हमें types?
Because I remember to play, we used to take the pipe, the gardening pipe, and we used to like play and drench each other and all of that stuff. But there was no other entertainment. So I remember we used to crib a little. But it was good memories now and looking back.
So are you seeing and reading the reviews that are coming in?
100%. I'm very happy.
Because you're not trolled. Otherwise, you would have not given any interview.
Till now, touch wood, I've never got trolled, just by the way. The review, the show's been liked to loved in terms of critics.
Yes,
I think people in general are really, really liking it. Viewers are really liking it. My character's got lots of love. So I think we are in a good space. I'm feeling positive. Yeah.
ग्राम चिकित्सालय इज़ अ शो जिसकी मैंने तर्ज की भी बात की थी कि वेरी सिमिलर टू पंचायत हमें नज़र आएगा. बट हालांकि उसकी अपनी और कहानियाँ हैं. आई गेस इस शो के हीरो हीरोइंस आर नॉट द डॉक्टर्स दैट वी बोथ हैव. इट इज़ मोर ऑफ द अदर कैरेक्टर्स दैट वी सी इंडल्जिंग इन दोज लाइफ्स. आशा वर्कर का कैरेक्टर जस्ट I was crying, the way she was going through things and all of that. Active आपने चलाई खुद कि fake है वो?
कैसे fake लगेगी?
नहीं, मतलब कि there are other ways also.
Absolutely not. I've learned.
हाँ?
Yeah. Then?
Rate yourself in driving.
Hello, 10 on 10. I was too good. Like I learned and I'm planning to buy.
That I was supposed to ask Amol.
Please ask. I'm literally like going to buy myself a scooty now to drive around Bombay.
You cannot do that.
Yeah, even my mom's not allowing me, but it's so much fun. It's so much easier than to get stuck in traffic. You must try.
Getting stuck in traffic?
No, driving in a scooty and never getting stuck in traffic.
No, I have. I was. Let's not reveal that. I was in Punjab, so I met somebody very special. So to avoid traffic in the very late night, it is always fun to go on bike and
it's fun. It's actually fun. It's very like liberating. Yeah, like you're just driving with the wind. I love it.
बट कितना रिजेंबल करती हैं आप ऐसे गांव की लड़की से?
Real life?
Not much, yeah.
I mean, you mean personality wise? I mean, I don't know how many I've interacted with, but how different and similar really are people? I feel like it's very subjective, right?
Yeah.
And I may get along with someone, maybe poles apart with someone, I don't know.
But you maintain yourself as a urban girl much? or you're very desi at home and you're like, ठीक है, let it be, I'll eat, you know, the urban girls will eat certain food.
This idea you made of urban girl is certain food. No, I am.
The perfume and all.
I'm absolutely. I'm unsure who this person is, but no, I'm very simple. I don't know urban or not. I'm simple. I'm not a very hi-fi hectic person. I like the simple things in life.
खुद के कपड़े आप खुद प्रेस करती हैं ऐसा?
खुद के कपड़े खुद प्रेस करते हैं. Interesting. Yeah, no, I'm not.
See, not at all urban, desi.
But that's not desi or urban. That's
Come on, I mean-
that's people having house help.
Of course I know.
Yeah.
But someday if she says that she's not coming.
I can do everything. I'm capable of doing everything. Hello. I can.
You cook and all?
Cooking, I can't.
And I can do everything. I'm capable of everything.
Except cooking. Cooking is an art. Cooking is a skill. I don't know how to cook.
You don't cook anything.
But I'm genuinely bad at it. I don't think so. I've had this theory, which I think you're the first person I'm revealing this to. All my friends know this. My hands are useless. There's not much I can do with my hands. I'm not good at opening bottles. I'm not good at cutting my nails. I'm not good at cooking. I'm not good at things where my hands are pretty useless. I can't paint. I can't do craft.
Oh. But chicken, we've got mouths to work. Maybe I guess I'm also like that. Yeah, that is. Don't go crazy laughing. No, that's the thing.
What
no,
is this conversation?
No, we both are very talkative. So even I am like that. मेरे हाथ भी नाकारा हैं. I'll tell you one incident. I wanted to use this in my interview. So recently my friend is going through a breakup. I'm really sorry. Don't kill me for this. And you know what? उसके ना boyfriend की शादी हो गई. And of course उनका नहीं चल रहा होगा and all of that. तो वो बेचारी कोलाबा में रहती है. She was crying badly. I went to her place with my another female friend and we got her to our house. And we were a bit tipsy and all that, breakup and all. तो मैं उसके kitchen में गया. So I have a habit of washing my hands like 10,000 बार दिन में. I went to her kitchen, opened the नल and all. देखा एक नहीं चल रहा था तो मैंने दूसरे से धो लिया और वो बंद कर दिया और उसको लेकर मैं घर आ गया. And now she been staying with us from 3 days. उसको तीसरे दिन सुबह सुबह 8 बजे कॉल आते हैं ओनर के, उसके पड़ोसी के, एंड दे आर टेलिंग आपके पूरे घर में पानी भर गया है, कुछ हो गया है, वे आर यू? एंड शी इज लाइक 1.5 घंटा दूर. तो एंड देन शी रीच्ड. अभी हमें पता नहीं क्या हुआ है. शी कॉल्ड में कि आदि पानी भर गया, उसके बेचारे के सब कुछ गिला विला हो गया. एंड आई एम मी बीइंग मी, वेरी बैड, व्हाट हैपेंड? एंड मैं पूरा ज्ञान दे रहा हूँ उसे, देखा यू आर क्राइंग हियर फॉर योर ब्रेकअप एंड पानी कहीं और भर रहा है टाइप्स. एंड शाम को शी इज आस्किंग अरे पता क्या हुआ, मेरा नल खुला रह गया. एंड देन आई एम लाइक इट वाज मी, आई डिडंट नो, एंड वी वर लाफिंग बैडली ऑन
There's nothing to do with the hand but with the mind, right? That's your brain lacking, not your fans. Just FYI. Correct me if I'm wrong.
It is always like that. No, brain is also a need in the cooking then.
Okay,
दोनों का
touche.
सिंक होना जरूरी है. बट आपने जो भाषा के साथ सिंक किया, ये देखिए भूमिका से कैसे मैं segues, pro in that. So वो बड़ा कमाल का था, है ना? We didn't feel like you are somebody. अगर हम आकांक्षा को, you were not very आकांक्षा. That's a compliment,
Yeah.
right? So how did you manage that split of personalities? हालांकि that's a job. of an
That's the
actor,
job.
but ठीक
Yeah,
है,
that's
that
the
is not
job.
an answer I'm looking
Yeah.
for, but something else.
No, there was not much to it except that was the job. That was required. That was very initially told
Yeah.
that you cannot be looking like yourself. Like, and I always say this a lot about actors who play a certain character that's so different from them, but that still keep their own, like that perfect hair that they love, or that the earrings that they like, or the kajal style they like, or the rouge they love. And I'm like, bro, then you're not really becoming that character. So I feel like there was very clearly understood by all parties that this is the role and this is who you're meant to play, and I was really excited to do that. Yeah.
बल्ब ठीक करना आ गया आपको अब?
Yeah, I learned how to make a fix a bulb.
Really?
Yeah.
आपके तो घर में होंगे भी नहीं.
Excuse?
These
all
homes-
these lamps have what's inside them?
But there are different, no.
Yeah, but bulbs only. And now which I know how to fix.
Really?
So my hands can do something now.
Fixing bulbs.
Fixing bulbs.
Nothing else. But the love angle we'll be seeing in the second season, where you'll be more of Gargi.
Yeah, so that was something that was discussed before, that she's the lead of the series, not of the season.
Okay.
So that was always there. So yeah, Dr. Gargi you're going to see a lot of her from season 2 onwards.
That is being shot, everything is done?
No, everything's not done.
Okay, the 5
Yeah.
episodes is yet to be...
Season 1 is over. Now we'll start season 2.
So you'll start and
Yeah,
then
yeah,
it'll
yeah.
go
It's
longer.
not.
I thought they must have shot the 10 episodes.
No.
But are you excited for that?
I
Have you gone through the script and all?
No, we're still writing. Everyone's still writing. There's lots left to do.
Have you demanded something? Please put some, specific scenes.
Specific scenes, मतलब
And वैसे मन होता है ना कि I at least want this.
नहीं, no. I mean, like they write so well. I'm
Yeah,
really
that
excited
is
for
true.
whatever happens in season 2. I know it's a lot of arc, so I'm just excited for that.
Any, the old actors that we've seen, be it Sunita Rajwar in Panchayat or Gullak, be it the पुराने एक्टर्स जो अब जन्मे हैं फिर से, है ना, अब उनका एरा आया है, तो नीना जी हैं उनमें से एक. डू यू हैव एनी प्लान्स एंड विशेस टू बी विद देम इन द सेम प्रोजेक्ट?
Gajraj Rao sir, I love him. Today only I spoke to Bankaras from Panchayat. All these guys, they're legends. I did a song with Neena ma'am, with Jasleen Royal. So I was so excited with Jackie Shroff and Neena ma'am. Yeah, that was like better than working with anyone for me. I was like, these are two legends. It's so cool. Yeah, these people are so cool. So much to learn from them. So much experience. You also learn like real journeys from these people. It's very interesting.
बट ये ना मुझे समझ में नहीं आता, ये जो लोग होते हैं दे वेरी विद टू माउथ्स, है ना. वन सेज एक्ट्रेस जो है बहुत खूबसूरत है तो कमर्शियल करनी चाहिए, एंड फिर अगर खूबसूरत होने के बाद वो ऐसे रियल चीज़ों पे मुद्दे पे बात कर ले और ऐसे काम कर लेते, व्हाई शी इज डूइंग दैट, अरे शी इज डूइंग वेरी रियल सिनेमा, शी इज सपोज्ड टू बी इन दी कमर्शियल, अगर कमर्शियल कर ले शी इज नॉट फिटिंग कमर्शियल थिंग्स, शी शुड बी डूइंग दैट. सो हाउ डू यू टेक दैट, हाउ डू यू डिसाइड योर प्रोजेक्ट्स, बिकॉज दैट इज द वे ऑफ गोइंग टू द राइट वे एंड राइट पाथ.
I don't take that. I don't really give one hoot of what anyone has to say, in the sense that it's not anybody's business. I don't care. I know I want to do like varied, different stuff, and like that's the plan, man. You want to keep doing the same thing, then that's boring. You're not challenging yourself. You're not like, I also feel like I have a lot to offer. I'd like to believe I have a lot to offer. How, like, so I want to pick stuff in which like, oh shit, ये भी कर सकती है, oh shit, वो भी कर सकती है. Why not? That's the fun of it, right? Like to just challenge yourself, explore different parts of yourself, explore different characters. So that's basically it. Like, why can't you do both? Like, why does one have to do just one? I don't understand.
क्योंकि एक कमेंट में पढ़ रहा था शो के ट्रेलर के नीचे दैट योर परफॉर्मेंस इज बेटर देन अ लॉट ऑफ नेपो किड्स परफॉर्मेंसेस व्हिच हैव कम इन, जो जितने भी रोम कॉम हमने देखे उनसे कहीं बेहतर आपकी परफॉर्मेंस थी, जबकि 5-6 एपिसोड में कितना ही हमने देखा, बहुत लिमिटेड, दो वी वांटेड टू सी यू मोर. सो हाउ डू यू सी दैट कमेंट?
I'll take the win, right? Like that it's a good performance. Like that's all I want. Better than who, worse than who, I don't know. I just want, I want to be good, and I want to be known as good, because I really feel like I have lots to offer, man.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
With that, what all are you expecting from the audience for the another chunk of it which we'll be having very soon?
Yeah.
I'm hoping very soon.
As in season 2.
Yeah.
हाँ.
So whenever it is happening, I don't know, it'll take an year or so. तब तक तो हम मर जाएंगे बहन. So
खुद मारो, मेरे को क्यों मार रहे हो? हम मर जाएंगे बहन. I have lots to do before I die, दोस्त.
ठीक है, that is the thing. Of course, we both have. So
Clearly you have given up. हम तो मर जाएंगे.
ठीक है. When did you cry last time?
Last Monday.
Why? खुद को देखकर? शो में, मतलब कि आई सो गुड एक्टिंग ऐसा?
Epic. नहीं था ये कोई, I was nervous, I was anxious, I was like पता नहीं.
About the show?
Yeah.
See?
Who are you shouting at?
Bobby.
That's funny. Yeah, I was nervous. Like you get all the feels. Yeah, you're like, shit, man, क्या होने वाला है? It's scary.
Did you call anyone and talk about it?
Yeah, like 19 people. I'm that person. If I call, I have to call. Like if I cry, I have to call everyone. And what's your view? What's your view? What's your view?
And who are they? 19. Tell me 19 तो.
Well, my sister, my best friends. I have lots of girlfriends. My mom. सबको.
तो क्या बोला उन्होंने?
No, it was just general. Like, it was not like I was not really even seeking anything. I was just sharing that I'm just really feeling anxious and I don't know and what's going to happen, because you feel like you're like putting yourself out there again, right? So that can just be like, how will people receive you? Will people receive you at all? Those. Because I think that day I saw the show.
Then you read the reviews.
Yeah, and then I was like,
Chalo, we are the PR, let's plan something. It is the time. Oh my God. But glad that you did it. And I guess प्रोजेक्ट अच्छा या बुरा तो वो तो दिस इज हाउ द वर्ल्ड इज, वी
Yeah.
कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग. माय वन इंटरव्यू डज वेल ऑन व्यूज एंड शायद दूसरा जिस पे कख व्यूज नहीं होते, वो कॉन्वर्सेशन बहुत प्यारी होती है, इट वेरीज. एंड आई हैव लर्न दिस थिंग, आई एम 22, ऑफ कोर्स यंगर देन यू, दैट it is how, what, I'm not giving you again, I'm just sharing it. You know, I've also taken time, I'll tell you, in love also, I was loving somebody thinking that the person will love me someday, but the person never loved me.
Yeah.
The person was super good, you know, as a human being, super good as a friend, but I kept, you know, holding myself and stating to me खुद से ही कि भाई नहीं नहीं नहीं, शायद उसे प्यार है, शायद उसे प्यार है, someday the person will turn and say no, I also love you. Never happened. So I took my time to accept and all of that. I guess that is how we all are in love. How are you in love, by the way?
That's generic. Ask me a more
Like
specific question.
are you chill about the person? Are you
Yeah.
like very talking?
No, I really feel like you're only as crazy as a person makes you. So I feel I'm very relaxed in a relationship. I've been mad when someone has made me mad, when they made me insecure and all of that.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm very chill. I'm very relaxed. I'm not. For me, even like in a relationship, if it's healthy, respectful, I don't even like seek marriage as the ultimate commitment. Like I feel like when you're just in a committed, stable, respectful relationship, that's good enough for me. I'm very secure like that with love. Yeah.
But you must have been going, as you mentioned, that been mad at.
Oh, I've dealt with like pathetic men, which is why it's got me to this side. Because that's why I know you're only as mad as someone makes you.
That is true.
Yeah.
I'm going to use it
Yeah.
to my other
Yeah.
people.
Yeah.
But with that, thank you so much.
Yeah.
It was so lovely talking to you. We've taken a thorough journey of Akansha, for sure. That is very true. You know, from love to nervousness that you've had for the show. But it is doing good,
Yeah.
and I'm waiting for the other part of it
Yeah.
whenever it is coming in, and it should do well.
Yeah, I hope so.
Good reviews more coming in. Your message to people.
I don't know, just watch Gram Chikitsala for now.
Yes.
Please DM me what you guys feel and lots of love.
5 एपिसोड है, मजेदार है, मैं तो यही बोलूंगा. इट इज टू फन. मुझे तो गिन के 5 ही घंटे लगे थे. वेरी क्विकली आई वॉच. आई टोल्ड यू ना, आई वॉच इट. मैंने सिर्फ शुरू किया. आई एम लाइक अभी मैं आई एम अनेबल टू इग्नोर दिस. आई हैव टू बी. आई वाज कुकिंग, मेकिंग चाय एंड वाचिंग इट, यू नो, आई ऑन द स्क्रीन्स एंड इन माय फोन एंड ऑल दैट. So I did that. So I
I'm
guess
happy.
that is the win
to
of
hear.
you and
Yeah.
Amol for sure.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Keep watching us on Filmy Beat.